Hi, this is Stan. Welcome back to the Crow's Nest Railroad. Well, on a previous episode, we took out a big pine tree that was there for about 26 years. And then I removed a big, huge cassia bush from in here. And I think what we're going to do in this area is put a big planter box, something similar to this. I'd like to try and maybe grow some roses. I've not been very successful so far, but we can give it a try on a raised bed over there. But today, we've got to be able to get to and from the shed here, so the stump is gone. I've been doing some backfill. We got to bring some pavers in so I can just put a simple paver walkway in. So let's hook up the train because Dozer is going to help us out. Okay, that went well. If you follow the channel, you know that I rebedded this whole track in here, and that was really, really smooth. Backing this train around that super tight turn. Coming up, I've got an elevation I have to meet. At the same time, I'm trying to run a curve and get off a beveled concrete slab. So that was a dream come true to back through there with no derailments. But now we got to do the heavy stuff. I've got 7 of these 24-inch pavers, so we got to get these loaded and drug out into the back. All right, whew, that was some work, but I got everything on there, kind of distributed in weight. Let's see if we can make it into the backyard without a terrible derailment and tip over. Here we go. That was a great trip, and you know, I never really got above a third throttle even coming up the hill. So, plenty of power, and we stayed on the rails. Well, now for the boring part, I just got to get these spaced out and create a nice little walkway up to the shed door. Well, that's a start anyway for today. I'm going to wrap it up. I'll have to do some more fiddling, but at least we got something underway. Had one slab left over, so I'll pull the train up. We'll get this thing lugged out and stored in my stash pile, and then we'll put the train away. These get heavier every time I try and lift them. Here we go. Well, this is Stan saying thanks so much for joining us here this week. That's going to wrap it up, and I hope I can see you right here next time on the Crow's Nest Railroad.
Goodbye.